How to pay for Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pay for Spotify Premium on your iPhone. Firstly, open App Store on your iPhone and search for Spotify. After searching for Spotify, look for updates that may be available. If there are updates available, update it, or else go back to your home page. From your home page, navigate to the Spotify app and open it on your device. In Spotify, make sure you are logged in to your account. From the bottom panel, go to the Premium section. Now here, you can select the premium that you want to purchase. You can also do this process on the website. Navigate to any web browser that you prefer. Go to spotify.com and open the website. Log in to your account and tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Now from your settings menu, click on Premium. After that, a page like this will appear. On this page, you can click on Get Started or click on View All Plans to see the plans. I'm just gonna tap on Get Started. You can click on View All Plans and select the plan that you like. Here it shows Premium Individual. Now select your payment method and purchase the premium. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.